Employees can now work and access company data or information from virtually anywhere, thanks to the growth popularity of hybrid working. Data is constantly moving between data centers, distant devices, SaaS apps, and other locations, giving cybercriminals a greater advantage in collecting and destroying a company's most valuable assets. Undoubtedly, a new cybersecurity paradigm is required. This is where the concept of zero trust comes into play. By default, a zero trust approach means that no one inside or outside the network can be trusted, and everyone attempting to obtain access to the network resources must first verify their identity. There are 6 key principles in a zero trust network that underpin this approach. The first one is continuous monitoring and validation, in which a zero trust network implies there are attackers both inside and outside the network who will constantly verify user identity and privileges, as well as device identity and security. The second one is least privilege, which allow users only as much access as they require, similar to a theme park instructor advising children on which rides are the most appropriate and safe for them. The third one is device access control, in which zero trust systems must keep track of how many different devices are attempting to connect to their network, evaluate appropriate approval levels, and analyze all devices to ensure that they have not been hacked. The fourth one is micro-segmentation, a method of isolating and safeguarding certain workload in data centers and cloud environments by segmenting them into zones. Micro-segmentation allows system administrators to implement policies that limit network traffic between workloads using zero trust approach. The fifth one is preventing lateral movement. Zero trust is designed to keep attackers in one place to prevent them from moving around across the network, since zero trust access is segmented and must be re-established on a regular basis. Last but not least, there's a multi-factor authentication, or MFA, which requires more than one piece of evidence to verify a user. Simply entering a password isn't enough. Your credentials, which may be either something you know, like a password or a PIN, something you have, like a smart card, or something you are, like a fingerprint, must come from 2 or more different categories to enhance security. Although zero trust may appear complicated, working with the right technology partner can help you make implementing this security architecture simpler. Cloudflare One, for example, is a SaaS platform that integrates networking services with a zero trust user and device access method. Customers who use Cloudflare One automatically get zero trust security for all of their assets and data. And most importantly, they cover the 6 key principles that we talked about earlier. To find out more about Cloudflare One and what it can offer for your business, click the link below.